welcome back to my brand new video. And today we're going to be testing all my cars in Car Dealership Tycoon, and this is part 2. So let's get this video started. The my finally, and we actually stopped at the speed test, the acceleration. Yeah. Acceleration perfect on the Volectoro Centurion. Now we just test this. Ooh, this is great. Yeah, I guess this is more better than the. Wait, what were we talking about? Yeah, something. Yeah, the Conong Rion, or whatever it's called again. I'm not able to understand the name, how to pronounce it. It's too difficult. Everything is difficult. Yeah, now we just check the results. Yeah, this is slightly more better than a Kanam Priyong or whatever it's called. Yeah, that's green. This car is a bit better better than the Kanang Rion in the circuit race. So now I guess we'll do the Ferrari 488, or should I call it Ferrari 488? Yeah, this I think it should be just great for circuit race. I mean, just look at this, the bendy bend. Yep, this is this. Oh yeah, I forgot the star of the Valetro Centrio. Just perfect. It's 3 stars. Voila. And yeah, this was me even getting 3 stars. Only one thing to do. The acceleration test. Yep. Of course, how would I forget to do the acceleration test? I would of course do that. Since I just did the Volectoro Central speed test just right now, so I guess this is the time to test this out. I think it's great if you use the 1/2 race in the drag race. Say, I think it can even do 1/8 or something, but sadly we do not have any players to test that out. One day I'll get one of my friend to play with me, and of course that's obviously going to be a YouTuber, since one of my friend is, and you should also like and subscribe to his YouTube channel, and his YouTube channel name is First Class Gaming. You should like and subscribe to his video. He's also, I guess he's a bit better than me, since he is the one who helped me by making this YouTube channel. Yeah. Which car now? The Audi S8. Yes. Oh, I thought we were going to go to the moon, but sadly we're. Ooh, this got some great handling and acceleration. We should just double check the handling. Yep, just great. We. It's unless. Yeah, nothing and lol. What you laughing about, man? Bro, Oh, what are you laughing about? What are you laughing about? I do not see why you are telling LOL and XD. Look here. That's your name, not speaking. By the way, I wonder if he just chats that same thing when his name is the same thing. Yeah. So this is a 3 stars. Didn't think it would be that great. Ah, yes, the matrix is 0 to 7. The this actually is a good acceleration. Oof, not that good speed. Ooh, wait. It does have the speed. Yeah, and great handling too. We we I make my camera more like this to make it a bit harder, since it looks like I'm driving it in real life and the whole car is shaking. Now as if I'm also doing turn, the turn thingy drift. You know O, the O drift. This should be great for this, what we call that, the circuit race. Yes, the Tesla Roadster. Great acceleration, check. Great for drag race in any mile. Now just need to check this. Oh, great handling too. Next will be checking. Will be near to the last thing, which is going to take some not that much time. We and we got go faster. Yeah, next we'll be doing the macros 0 to 7 RT3. That will be in another video. The trophy cars which used to be like the season 1 will be in another video. Yes, the macracer Arathon, which I don't actually know how to handle that much, but I could also say this for a great acceleration. Just look at this. We this should be great acceleration. Now the Thornag Rion. Wait, have we tested this yet? I feel like no, so let's just do it one more time. Great acceleration check and handling check. So bye guys, this is going to be the end of the video. So make sure to like and subscribe.